I have people come up to me and just out in public and be like, hey, I'm thinking about joining the sheriff's office, do you have like a business card or whatever? And I give them, like a business card with my name and member number. And, I tell them the process to go online, and I tell them that we pay for the academy, so we offer bonuses and incentives to work for the agency. And a lot of them are not aware of that. They're like, oh, I didn't know that. So they come up to you and ask you, and you can inform them and tell them our incentives. And we only work 14 days out of the month. There's not many jobs that you're going to find that you can work full time only 14 days out of them. Not 746. I'll be sitting on 35, 10, 18. Personally, I like nights. I like nights because it's cooler, especially in the summertime, and the calls are a lot different that you get. As far call volume, it can go either way. You could either be just as busy as days, or you can be a little bit slower and have more time to do like your proactive stuff, like your traffic stops, things of that nature. Look for warrants. Versus the daytime, you're a little bit more busy, and trying to fit that into your schedule becomes a little bit more difficult because obviously calls coming out are more of a priority than you being proactive. Calls for service, take precedence over those types of things. So, if you like that proactive, policing, night shift I feel like is better in an aspect. If you like taking calls and some days you literally just go from call to call. If you like that aspect of policing, then day shift is where you'll find your place. Do a ride along. See if you like it. Try. I mean, you can do one ride along per month. So if you have time to think about it and you want to get a feel for it, ride 1 month in day shift, ride 1 month in night shift. See what you like. That's what I did when I got out of the military. I knew I was going to work for the sheriff's office, but I wanted to see how it was. So I came from night shift in the military. So I said, all right, I want to see what it's like night shift here and in Southwest. So I was living with my in-laws over in Brandon, and I drove all the way over here, and I stayed the whole 12 hours. And originally I was like, I might do like, maybe a half a shift and then go home. But I enjoyed it so much, like I stayed the whole shift. And the person that I was riding with was like, you want to go home? Like, you don't have to stay the whole night. And I was like, no, this is fun, So it just justified my decision, to come to this agency.